Today's the big day, guys. Today I'm getting my car tuned. I'm over here. I just got to Fever Racing, and Martin's gonna tune my car a little bit. So let's see. I don't know if he's even here already. Let's find out. Car's strapped in. Well, it's just on the dyno now. It needs to get strapped in. I'm still waiting on Martin, so he gets here and begin tuning. Car's fully strapped in now, and then checking tension. And then before we begin tuning, I'm gonna have to disable the two-step so it doesn't accidentally go into two-step while tuning. I guess this is a pretty good start. So far, this is what the tune is looking like, how it was before. It's actually really smooth, so it just gets really rich on top. So Martin just gotta clean that up. So far, with the timing how it was, it made 357. So let's see if we can get close to 400 today. looks like I'm gonna be stuck around 346 wheel horsepower right now. because ignition coils are misbehaving and it's causing a misfire around 5500 RPMs. So I guess I'm gonna have to upgrade the coil packs. Maybe I'll put like those Volkswagen GTI, the red ones. They're really cool. I've seen people swap those in a bunch of engines. I'll probably end up swapping for those, and then hopefully that will solve the issue. My car started cooling off a little bit because it's been like running for a while. It's like super hot, not really that hot, but it's pretty hot. It looks like max power today with the failing coils. It's gonna be 357 and about 336 pounds of torque. On the very last run, it did 351 and 336 torque, and you can see here, Martin was explaining to me that right here it dips, and then you can see what happens at the end of the power band. So after 5500 RPMs, I'm not making any more power because it just like misfiring and that little scribble looking power band there. It looks like the next upgrade is gonna then have to be upgraded ignition coils. But now I am at Adam's house and it's time to finish getting the car prepped for the track. I started by adjusting the ride height, so it's not Bigfoot anymore. And this is the height that I'm gonna be running tomorrow on the back. Then the front's still gonna stay high. Then over here, we have this stupid thing, which is a culprit for my car smelling really bad, which this fitting right here, it's leaking past in between this part here where it flexes. The oil was sipping out through here. So I'm getting rid of this, and I'm gonna install one of these like new shiny Mishimoto lines on there. I kind of messed up on my little explanation. I don't know why I was aiming at this, but it's leaking through here. Look how this like just has a ton of play here, and that oil just comes right out. Here's the old hose and the newer hose. Not only is it a nicer hose, but I'm also gonna be protecting it using some of this DI, what's it called? Fire sleeve and tape kit. So it has a fire sleeve and it also has a tape, so you seal off the ends too. The new drain line is fully installed. You can see now I got that little tape that seals off the end up here. Then I managed to put the turbo blanket behind the fitting, that will protect it from the heat better as well. And then on the bottom, it's like all the way down there. I don't know if I can get a hold of it. I ended up wiping down the SLR kit because it was like full of oil thanks to that fitting leaking before. And now I gotta remove these because I got some really good, awesome goodies from SLR today. Let's see what's in here. Aha! We got some stickers. I'm just kidding. So now I get to put this camber adjustment plates, and also I can adjust caster, all kind of crazy things. I'm not gonna go too crazy with them at first. I'm gonna put them on just to adjust the ridiculous amounts of negative camera that I have in the front and see how it looks. I love this purple, it's so nice. I should make the car purple too. I wonder. I got one side installed. Check out how pretty this thing is. I didn't put it all the way out, just put it like almost at the end, so this will still be here. Now I have to cut this, and then this is the stock side. So the settings that I chose are literally this. It's that little bit more from coming off, and then I can go more with that one other bolt. 10 minutes later, and they're all done. Now I got this really cool offset things from SLR to adjust the camber with.
Dude, you're not doing those things justice. Those aren't just super cool. Those are baller, dude. Those are sick. Let me get some.
You need to be indulgent for that.
I know, dude. That's a large stuff sick. Makes me wish I had a BMW.
But you do.
Oh, true.
Well, everything is ready. While I'm doing the stuff on the car, Adam also decided that it would be a cool idea to use Nico's car as a backup drift car, so he ended up putting an angle kit on the car today. And he's drinking what?
Not as nice as your angle kit, dude. Dude, I'm jealous.
What is that?
What's a chocolate? Oh, chocolate caliente, see?
Muy delicioso.
Es muy delicioso y yo tengo una casa con muchas integras. ¿Integra?
What? What?
Como los Hondas? Las Hondas?
I don't know what he's talking about. Alright, so now Nico's gonna have like sick angle. I think she's gonna have more angle than Adam.
Hey, you should give me some credit, Alberto. I did this all by myself except for bashing stuff with a hammer because I break things when I do that.
I told you how to do it properly. See, you did a good job.
Hey, yeah, I didn't really ask for any help on this. Other than the clearance part, I did pretty much everything on my own.
Yep, you did very well, sir. You're almost at graduation part. I said you're just dropping stuff now. What are you doing? Alright, well, car's ready. The last thing I have to do tomorrow is to wash it, but I'm not gonna do that in today's video. Well, hopefully the car holds together. Now it's been dyno tuned, it's aligned, kinda. It has all the angle kit, all the wiring's been fixed. The height has been adjusted, and I got 6 tires for the event, so let's see what happens. Hopefully we can have some fun tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.